today I'm going to be showing you my Barbies that I made. So, this is one of the Barbies. Let me get her in the clothes it came with. So, she came in these clothes. There's a Velcro at the bottom. Here, let me get them on her. Sorry. So she came in this without this ponytail. Let me take it out. So she looked like this. And it showed these high heels. Stop. And then I'll show you. This is a nightstand. It's a piece for Barbie. And it has this whole bed. And a pillow, covers, this, and a light that you could take off and put it through this hole. Put it on right through this hole. And, oh yeah, and it comes with covers, blankets. So I'll put that just at the end of the bed, like this. And that's the set that came with. So let me put it back on. And that's all pictured. And it came with the doll. I just got it today. Look what I made. Isn't it cool? It's my tail. Okay. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.